Today in class, we're going to be reviewing a lesson we learned 2 weeks ago, subtracting with pirates. So with this, we watched this video. If you guys are struggling or just need a refresher, feel free to watch this video at another time. But we all should have watched this while we did our activity. So we're going to go ahead and move down towards the questions. So for our first question, you should have gone through and filled this out. So if you clicked on the box, you should have been able to draw numbers in it. So if we had 3 pirates, and we subtracted 2, what would we have ended up with? And that's what you should have drawn in this box, and that would have been a 1. So then you'll go ahead and scroll down a little further, and the next part brings up this paper. So the first thing we should have done is we should have looked at our example. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And we saw that they took away 3 of the 5 chests. So for the next one, you would do the same thing with the pirates. You have 6, so you need to take away 2. 1, 2. Now how many do you have? You have 4 pirates. And that should have been the answer you left over here for question 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So there should have been about 10 questions like that. And then you should have moved on to the next section. The next section was about pirates. So I asked you guys to count the pirates. There should have been 6 pirates. And answer the question. Then I asked you to count how many pirates are in this picture and answer the next question, which was how many pirates left. In the first picture there was 6 pirates and we were down to 4. So your answer should have been 2. So we're going to go ahead and move on to our view responses. So when we look at this section, which is your guys' responses, we'll notice that we have multiple different answers. So our first one from Hayden, you didn't quite put your numbers in the right order, it looks like. Cade, you seem to have switched your 2 and your 3. And Lauren, you seem to have gotten it right. It should have been the 3 minus 2 equals 1. Good job, Lauren. So for our second question, it looks like the only one who got it wrong was Cade. So if we pull this up, 6 minus 2 should have been 4. So number 3, it looks like, we all must have gotten it wrong. So 3 minus 5 equals 3. Great. So let's move on to number 4. Number 4, our answer should have been 2. Looks like we all got number 4 right. So let's move on to number 5. Number 5, if we open it up, should have been 9 minus 3 equaling 6. We got it all right. Good job, everybody. Let's move on to number 6. Number 6 was 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 should equal 4. Oh, Kate, it doesn't look like we quite got it right. Let's see what we could have done right. So if we have 7 fingers and we took away 3, how many do we have left now? You should have 4 fingers up. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to question number 7. So for question number 7, it looks like we all got it right. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Let's move on to question number 8. Question number 8 was 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 should equal 3. We got it all right again. Congrats, guys. Let's move on to question number 9. Looks like we all did it once again. Number 10, we all got it right. No reason to go over it. Number 11. Maybe we didn't get this right. Oh, yeah, we all did. Because how many pirates were in that first picture? Do you remember? There were 3 pirates in each of the pictures. For number 12, let's see. We had 6 pirates and we ended up with 4 pirates. That means 2 pirates left our ship. Does that make sense? So we should have had 2. Kate, it looks like we missed it again. I bet you just got confused and I figured it was how many we needed to count. We'll try again next time. You guys all did great today. Have a great week.